He is Nishanth, who has intellectual disability. He is very active and smart boy, but he faced a problem in daily living activities in a category of brushing. After a more training in brushing skill, now only he brushed the two sides of the teeth. But he has difficult to brush on the front side of the teeth. Do you have any solution? Yes, the child use solution brush for brushing. This brush take him away from what he has problem in brushing. Because the structure of the brush is make him to brush easier, especially on front side. Now the child brushing on the both side and front side also. He got solution.
Break-Free Solutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.